Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about. Please subscribe and press the like button. Let's get start. What is a secure virtual data room and its importance for M&A deals? Secure virtual data room. Do you know what is a virtual data room is? Often referred as a deals rooms, a virtual data rooms video service as a haven to essential company documents for the most part. It is utilized in M&A transaction to speed up the due diligence process. Online, you can compare virtual data room and their pros. User of a video software can regularly transmit and receive business critical data over the internet while maintaining complete control over the data location and access by the others users. In addition, third party such as investor or client can ready share a file with a video user in a controlled online environment. An online data room software eliminated the need for physical paper, resulting in less waste and less culture in the office. With extensive document management and security capability, the digital data rooms help to enhance workflow and increase teams efficiencies. In addition, the Q&A and comment area in the online data room allow for better collaboration and communication. Request for document can be made at any time in the data rooms deals from and user will receive an immediate answer. Secure virtual data room for M&A deals. Virtual data rooms are most commonly used in merge and equation with performing due diligence. Buyers frequently require access to enormous quantities for private documents. Bidders will need access to several of these papers, many of which are classified and confidential. Buyer can quickly review and exchange papers without having to travel to the seller's office using virtual data room. In addition, because the buyer does not have the handles massive paper documents or pay for the travels for several specialized to examine the document. The evaluation procedure is also less expensive. Use of virtual data room. Court proceeding. Court proceeding frequently necessitate the handling of a significant amount of paperwork. Some of the documents are extremely sensitive and risk being stolen or misplaced. Attorney regulator and other interested parties can remotely examine documents using data rooms without for theft. Electronics data room can comes into play with a case involves forensic terms working on the same issue. There is no longer or a requirement for the terms for fly out to access some of the documents. They needs a record can be set to view only if the document's integrity is in danger. In addition to the market IPO, attorney, investment bankers, and other stakeholders must sign and verify document when a firm in the launching and IPO. These papers are safe and secure in a virtual data room, limiting third parties who are not involved in the transaction. Additionally, the corporation can restrict a competitor from making copies, printing, or modifying this paper. How to find best virtual data room? Make sure to read the customer review and compare virtual data room providers before making a final decision. It's common for virtual data room providers to proclaim themselves as the best. Although this strategy may have worked before on the internet, we now can see what others are saying via review website. It's not complicated at all. Captain like Yelp can help you identify the best business software just a customer or review student on the service at the top of capture cafeteria. You are discovered a brief overview that tell you how is using the software as well as a review rating and infographic of virtual data rooms provider. In addition, you can choose which data room software provider is suitable for your organization by finding out which other companies use it. Professionals are wishing to exchange is secret data with third parties who proprietary security, the convenience of use, and 24 hours 7 day service and support. Read the cap linked profile. Asset sales license and M&A among of the most common use. Well, if that what you're looking for, you've come to the perfect place. Additionally, capture cafeteria providers a helpful comparison tables of virtual data room service providers. What we're doing now will be inspiring to internet arts whole state of the futures. A gold old fashioned review site can provide you with the knowledge you need to make the best possible choice. However, be aware that some data room service have set up a dummy review site that make a item paper to be excellent. There is a considerable probability that something seems too fantastic to be true. Asset the quality of the client service. As a result of this paradox, choosing the top virtual data room service means you won't require mass assistance from their customer support team, but of course, there are exceptions to every rule. The best data room service will have a well-stocked customer service department. Download a free trial version of the software and ask some question about it. That way, you can learn more about how the product work and evaluate the quality of the customer service offered by the company. When considering uh, their customer service, keep the following point in mind. Thank you for watching.